sideways. Cool B out my body. Whole click pull up in vets, bitch.
Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe.
How you living? How you feeling? Versatile Squad, y'all. Man, it's been a long minute since we've been on the rooftop, huh? You see the title, you see the thumbnail, man. Got the vet going stupid, huh? Man, it's been a year since I damn near lost my life, man. Not due to my fault or my negligence, man. Due to somebody else's. At one point in time, man, I had a bet, you know, a CBR 1000. Man, if y'all in the bikes, y'all know what a 1000 is. It's one of the big boys, one of the top dogs up there, CBR. And then I had added another car to the fleet, man. Not just any type of car, man. It was a Ram 2500, the big heavy duty thing, man. Looking nice, sitting pretty. I'm gonna throw up a clip right here. Look. Man, I had just got that car, bro. Cause for those of y'all who don't know, I do work in the railroads, which is construction. It's very dusty, a lot of dirt everywhere, basically. So I just started a new job. Of course, I got the vet. One thing I hate, I got the vet. People think, oh, he big money, or he do something, he sell drugs, something like that. So I was like, let me cop another car, a truck to be exact, that's more suitable for my work. And I can put my baby up in the garage and I ain't gotta have no more worries, y'all. But man, I had my truck for a month. Let me throw up the video of how happy I was when I first got it, man. Y'all check this out. Alright, y'all, so that was my baby right there, Big Black. That's what I had named her. Now she's introduced to the channel, man. I was gonna start building a brand for myself, y'all, trying to get my CDL, you know, start hauling stuff. That way I could start working for myself. And I was even gonna bring that content to the channel, y'all, have my own little truck channel going. Little did I know that I was gonna get cut short. So I'm on my way home from my second job, right? Like I said, I was gonna get a trailer and everything. Now I'm paying on three vehicles, right? I got my truck, my car, and my bike. Man, so I'm like, I'm gonna pick up a second job. On my way home from my second job, get a text from my first job saying you need to be at this location at such and such time or whatever, right? So I like to plan accordingly, make sure I get enough sleep or whatever. I look back at the time, y'all, look up, I say that gas station always hot. As soon as I said that, y'all, boom, blacked out. Next thing I know, I wake up flipping. Flipping, y'all. I'm flipping, I'm rolling. I end up next to the little street pole, the one that has the hand that tells you to stop or not and to go, that you can walk across. End up taking that pole out, y'all. Y'all saw I had that big wrench guard on it. Luckily I did, because I believe that the engine might have been in my chest or something. I don't even want to imagine, man. But man, let me just roll this clip so y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. Bro, shit don't make no sense. I'm here at the scene. I'm coming this way. He coming from that way. He runs that red light, hits me this way. I end up right here, taking out that pole. That nigga end up way over here, bro. I pushed that nigga all the way from all the way over there, all the way right here, damn near to the pump. There was a cop sitting right here too. So y'all, what y'all just saw, what happened was I was coming from this way going straight. She was coming from underneath the bridge. So I don't even know how fast she could. I don't know what she had in that Honda Civic, man. This was a Honda Civic that took me out. Let me show you a picture of her car, because that car was, I don't know how she lived. Look. Boom. Man, y'all see that? I got taken out by a Honda Civic. So I don't know how fast she could have went from after turning underneath the bridge, y'all, and going straight. Because it's only like, I say about 50 yards in between the light and from turning underneath the bridge. So like, you just really have to gun it and say, F it. I don't care what's coming. I don't care what's on the other side of the freeway, man. I'm just gunning. Not to mention, y'all, my light was green. Had just turned green. For a good 5 seconds, y'all, it was green. So I'm like, cool, nobody coming, I'm going. As soon as I set that gas station hot, boom. That was it. I wake up on my side, y'all, and I'm like, dang, what just happened, man? I guess I just got in a wreck. I look down, see all my stuff on the floor, on the ground, glass everywhere. I'm like, man, might as well jump out the window. What I don't remember is, y'all, is having my seatbelt on, but I had to have it on because I don't remember taking it off when I jumped out. But I'm like, I had to have it on because there's no way I stayed in the car. Because I remember putting my hands that went out the window. So I was like, dang, let me pull them back in just in case I don't want to lose an arm or nothing. Pulled them things back in, blacked out again. Boom. I wake up on my side, like I said, dropped out the window or whatever. I get out the car, man. Tell me why I get out the car. The officers at the gas station, they come to me just looking at me. I'm like, man, can I borrow one of y'all phones so I can tell somebody what just happened, man? Let me call somebody so somebody can know, somebody can come get me and take me to the hospital or whatever needs to be done. They just looking at me, y'all. When I tell these cops, they're just looking at me like I'm retarded. Little did I know, though, I did have a gash right here, blood rolling down my face. I'm mad, telling them give me a phone, something, go find my phone, because they wouldn't let me go back in my truck, y'all. They were saying it might roll back over. I'm like, I done went in and out. I done hopped out the truck. It ain't flipping over, man. If it is gonna flip over, give me a phone or go look for my phone. Finally, one of the cops ended up listening to me, y'all. Ended up finding my phone. This is the same phone, perfect condition, same case, man. Get y'all a clear case, man. The thick ones, they work. Mine wreck proof. I know that for a fact. But yeah, y'all, once I finally got my phone, him calling my homeboy Jordan, man. I had a clip where after the wreck, though, the next day, the same morning, we had went to the tow yard to go get my stuff, and he gave his little input, but that clip ended up getting ruined, y'all. Man, I had a lot of footage on it, y'all, a lot of good footage of when I went to the tow yard, all my stuff, the glass that was broken, how the damage. I still got a little clip of the damage that was done to my truck, y'all, during the day. Let me play that for y'all right now. When I say I flipped, man, when I told y'all I flipped, that thing flipped. I'm saying I flipped at least a good 5 to 7 times because the distance from where the light is to where the gas pump is, it's ridiculous of how far we flew. And I'm mad that the gas station wouldn't give me the footage, y'all, because I really wanted that footage so I could show y'all exactly what happened, and so I could see, because it's just crazy to me how far we flew, and I want to see exactly how it happened, you feel me? But I'm just thankful to be here, y'all, because that same morning, right when I got out the hospital, I was able to hoop. What you shouldn't do, y'all, do not hoop right after a wreck. That's the worst thing you can do, because the next day, man, I told you I was feeling good, y'all, like nothing ever happened, and I walked away when I shouldn't have, y'all. That's why I'm so humble now, man. But at the end of the day, y'all, I walked away with my life, man. And guess what? No, that's not how I got the vet, because even before I got the vet, I had wrecked my high school sweetheart, y'all. It was a Pathfinder, 5% tint all around with 215s in the trunk, banging down the block. That was my baby, man. That was gonna be my little gas saver. I was gonna keep that car because that car was paid off, and then have this. But nope, ended up wrecking that. So I wasn't gonna be able to use that as a trade-in, and the wreck was my fault. So no, that's not how I got this, man. That's why I hate telling people this story, because they think I got this car from my wreck. No, 7 months later, I still found a way to work, man. Still found a way to save up, and still ended up copping my dream car. Basically, man, don't let anything in life hold you back. There's gonna be setbacks and hiccups along the way, but you just gotta keep pushing forward, man. Keep striding forward, man, because you never know what the next day can hold for you, man. Just look at this view. And man, if I can do it, you can too. Y'all remember to stay versatile, man. That's gonna be it for this one. Treat each day like it's your Friday. and go at it like it's your last, man. We out.
Pop, that a motherfucker.